Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to use Grok AI on Twitter. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing your social media presence can feel overwhelming. But imagine if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to make tweeting not only easier, but also more efficient and engaging. That's exactly where Grok AI comes in, offering a way to streamline how you interact on Twitter. Whether you're a social media manager, a content creator, or just someone who loves to tweet, Grok AI can save you time and effort while keeping your timeline vibrant and current. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take to start using Grok AI on Twitter. First, open up a new web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on Google's search page, type the letter X into the search bar. This might seem too simple, but it's an important step because X is now widely associated with Twitter's latest branding. Click on the first search result that appears, which should take you directly to Twitter's homepage. This is part of the new and sleek design that Twitter has introduced following its rebranding. Once you're on Twitter's homepage, look for an icon that symbolizes Grok AI. This icon might be a stylized letter or a specific logo, so keep your eyes peeled. It should be located right at the top of your screen. Clicking on this icon is crucial as it opens the gateway to an exciting world of AI-assisted tweeting. With Grok AI, you can make your tweets not just quick and easy, but also incredibly fun to create. Now, let's get creative with Grok AI. In the text field provided, you will need to formulate a prompt. For example, you might type, "Create a post for me regarding the latest news today." This simple prompt instructs Grok AI to generate content based on the most recent and relevant information available. It's an effective way to keep your timeline fresh and engaging without spending a lot of time crafting each tweet yourself. Once you've crafted your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Click on the Submit button. This action signals Grok AI to process your request, and in just a few moments, you will see a suggested post appear on your screen. It's advisable to take a moment to review the generated content to ensure it aligns with your style and the message you wish to convey. This powerful AI tool is designed to save you time and ensure your posts are pertinent and captivating. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to leverage Grok AI on Twitter to streamline your social media presence. Integrating AI into your tweeting habits not only boosts your efficiency, but also helps maintain a vibrant and up-to-date feed that reflects both the latest news and your unique voice. So why not give it a try? See how Grok AI can transform your Twitter experience, making it more dynamic and enjoyable. And that wraps it up. If how to use Grok AI on Twitter feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.